Hello everyone, and you're watching Data Analytics Professionals, and I'm Shanaz Malik. And let's quickly jump into today's lecture topic. Now, as all of you can see, current topic for this lecture is how to install or create Northwind database inside SQL Server Management Studio. There are some steps that you need to follow. First of all, you need to go onto the website which I have shown on here, in a slide, and then click on the download to open this file, which is this file, okay, and copy the script that you have to do. Select all and copy. And then we open SSMS, which is SQL Server Management Studio for short, and then connect to the target SQL Server. Once we are connected, then we'll paste the script in a new query window, and for that we need to click the query and paste it here, and then we will run, or execute the script. And if all goes well, our database will be created. And all of you know that I love action time with in my videos, so it's the action time. Let's open Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio and see how it goes from there. And to do so, I have already done from my, I think before I think we go into, we need to first go onto this website, as I have mentioned. Okay, this will be the website where you will go. Okay, and once you are on this website, I would like to mention that this is a original Microsoft verified account. As you can clearly see from here, it's an open source from Microsoft, so all credit goes to them. It's always good to give credit to the source who have provided us for these lovely files, script files, so that we can try and test and learn more on the data analytics skills, and which are also used in data science and many more titles. Now if I click here, okay, now if you see, until this sign here is showing that it's doing, so it's fetching these script at the moment. Don't immediately copy, just wait for this stuff to finish downloading, because otherwise you might be copying only half of the script. Okay, it's very important to understand here. If you see, this is still doing its stuff, trying to find. I'm not going to waste time for waiting this. It might take few more seconds. I have already this website here, okay, now it's all ready. Okay, if you see, I already actually opened this and kept, or maybe will save some seconds, but here it is. Now the script is ready. As you see, it's all being downloaded. I'm going to write, I'm going to click anywhere and then Control A, which is for selecting everything, and then I'm going to say Control C that I have selected. Or you can basically show, right click on the mouse and say copy, and that way also it will work. But remember, Control A to select everything and Control C to then copy everything. And once everything is copied, then what we need to do is go into our SSMS, and then if you see, here are my database. I'm going to refresh just to show you that I don't have any Northwind, and if I had also, that would have not made any difference, and I will show you why. Now I'm going to open this query window, and new window will open for me. I'm clicking on it and pasting everything there. And now if you see, I have I need to show you, I have 9,340 lines of code. And then if I control home, I go back to home, and here I see that saying use master go if exists, select all from sys databases where name is equal to Northwind. So if there was not, then drop database Northwind. So it would have dropped and still executed this query. Now if you have all these records, if you see copyright again, all credit goes to Microsoft for providing us this script. All I need to do, if you have seen, you have all these codes, all these lines, then all these lines of script, and then right click and execute here, or execute from here. I'm going to execute from here, and let's see the magic. And if you see executing the query, let's see how many seconds it takes for us, and that's it. while I'm speaking, it's saying query executed successfully, command completed successfully, but nothing has shown here. But all of you know that for that we need to right click and refresh this button, and here it is. Here is the Northwind database and tables, and if you see, it's everything there. Now if you go right click on category just to check, I'm going to select maybe select top 1,000 rows and right click on it, and here it is. Here is the stuff coming in, and if you are not able to see everything, here is our database is up and running. And what you know easy way to bring it into SQL Server Management Studio. And I wanted to show you all this because there are times when we need to run some queries on this database, and and it's really helpful. So now, I do have an humble request for all of you guys, and the request is simple. Please support us by sharing this video and press the like button if you like this video, and your valuable comments and constructive feedback helps us to improve. And hence, please provide your valuable comments and constructive feedback. Please subscribe, connect to my account if you haven't done until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. I hope to see all of you in next video. Until then, I Shanaz Malik, thank you all for watching Data Analytics Professionals.